Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. I am super excited because today I have two events. It's Saturday morning. One is a beautiful engagement party at Renaissance that we will be showing you in the beginning. And then the second is a birthday party for a really dear client of mine. It's her husband's birthday. It is Seda's husband's birthday party. Hey everyone, I am back shooting another episode. It is a special one. It's a behind the scenes again. I'm transforming the space, this banquet hall called Renaissance, into a really sophisticated engagement party. And I can't wait to show you the transformation. So hang on tight. Oh my God, these are not the right glasses. I must have taken the wrong reading glasses. I think I'm gonna go to the drugstore and get a new one. Hey, so I got two pairs. Didn't know which one I liked more. Anyways, those are gonna be my reading glasses for today. Let's go, come on. You don't want to leave it like a tail. Look at these beautiful garden variety roses that came in from Holland. Just exquisite. And look at this. It's in the same bunch, but look at the variations. This is from the peak, and as it gets open and larger, as it goes through the process, it becomes more pink. Pretty stunning, right? It's gonna look amazing. I can't wait to show you guys what's happening. It's just so impeccable. The band table, put the small one. Put a big one here. Put that one, that's vendor table. Let's get the candelabra. Let's get two big candelabras on the sides and then two small ones in the middle.
Okay.
Where's the paint? Let's paint this. Get a chair, stand on the chair, and then put this in different places. There's four centerpieces that you're gonna do this and the back. Okay. So take these products out, divide it into four, right? So you'll know. Yep. So it's all even.
So four by each side, right?
No, there's four of these, four centerpieces. Count how many there is and divide it into four.
Okay.
So make sure you, whenever you finish, I need this. I need drama a little bit. I need you to go in this back right here. This curtain needs to be fixed. As you can see, it's not completely done, but I have to go to the Beverly Hills Hotel because I have another celebration that I must be looking at the decoration. This is amazing. We're gonna see it at the end of the tape or the video, how amazing the setup is, but you can see what the transformation is. So let's go to the Beverly Hills Hotel and then let's see what magic I created there with the team. Let's go. Hey, 1 second. Hey, Naz, what's up?
Hey, the cake is here.
Oh, great.
What is it?
I said, that's fantastic. Do you want to send me a picture?
Yeah, I'll send you a picture. Let me know if you want to add gold on it.
Okay.
I wasn't crazy about it, but if you want to, I will add it.
You know, I forgot to show you the colors of but I mean, I sent you the colors swatches. So how does it look? Did you put some flowers on it as we discussed?
I did put, I think they just needed flowers.
Okay, so that was the cake designer. Her name is Nazeli. It's a beautiful Armenian name. She is the owner of Dress My Cake. So she's getting a big shout out in this video. She creates, I'm actually blessed with a lot of good friends in the industry that are super talented and do amazing works. Wow. Look at how gorgeous this cake is. Look, cool. Let me see what the other one. I think it needs the gold. See, look at this detail of the gold in there. And then this does not have any of the gold details. So for me, it feels a little not heavy, doesn't have any weight. So I think bringing in a little bit of gold is definitely going to do that. So I'll tell her. So now it's a perfect, I think you should add the gold. It gives it a little bit of weight, visual weight to the cake, and it also makes it richer and more sophisticated at the same time. You do need it, okay? Thank you. Hey, we're here. We're at the back entrance. Oh my God, come on. One of our famous folk singers, Armenian folk singers, Noro. Isn't this fucking amazing? Aliana with Aliana Events, who is my colleague in the business. She's an amazing event designer and planner. This is her gig and I work together. She came up with the concept and I actually did the floral concept design. Anyway, she'll come in a little later. Hopefully she'll be on camera so I can introduce you. But look how amazing she put this together. I mean, it is stunning. The room is a kick-ass party. I hope Paul comes in here and Zeta comes in here and they're just blown away with how crazy this is looking. You can give me small ones too later because I'll let you go in with the smaller ones and go inside, no out, yeah? So you need to move this over. You need to give me this with a paper mache and foam so that I can do the next. I need to do two things. look. They're lighting the candles now. You want to see? Let me show you what I did for the cake table. Look at the color. Isn't the color amazing? I'm so glad we changed it because now it actually shows in the room a little bit more.
Wow.
I did all peonies. I didn't know if you wanted a lot of flowers, but Aliana and I talked about it to add flowers.
Yes.
And I did some black, look at the blackberries, and then just peonies. That's it.
Beautiful.
So amazing. Visually, it's gorgeous. The stage is incredible. Look at the black dance floor. Black containers of callas, peonies. Just stunning. Fucking incredible. I can't even say that. They'll edit it, but it's okay. They'll bloop it out. I'm good. It's amazing. Amazing. So everyone, this one is done too. Paul's 40th birthday party is pretty spectacular, masculine, chic, and gorgeous. I can't wait to show you the finished product and pictures, and the other event that we did, the engagement, Liana's. Anyways, thank you again for tuning in and seeing 2 events, not one, in one episode. Make sure you subscribe, make a comment, go on my Instagram, Facebook, and all the social medias. Have an amazing day. Peace out.